Hey everybody, Josh with TrueCraft here, Ooni Ambassador, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Sicilian pizza, but not just any Sicilian pizza. This one is going to be wood and coal baked inside the Karu 16. Let's go. So to get the dough together, all I've done is measure out 460 grams of 00 flour, 9 grams of sea salt, teaspoon and a half of instant dry yeast, and I have 300 grams of water. So the first thing I do is take my yeast, add it to the water, I mix it up and I let that sit for just about 5 minutes. With my flour all set, I can go ahead and put that on the mixer. It's been a few minutes. My yeast is looking good. I see some bubbles in here. So the first thing I'm going to do, start my mixer, lowest setting, put the water in little by little, 10 minutes, slowly put in my 9 grams of sea salt. 5 more minutes and the dough should have come together nicely. 15 minutes is done. Take some olive oil. I've got a medium-sized bowl. I'm just gonna put in about a tablespoon in here. It seems like a lot, but remember, this is a pan pizza, so olive oil is fine. There it is. So what we're going to do is take our dough ball out, coat the bottom, coat the top, and boom. I'm letting this sit on the counter for the next hour. Start a timer. I'm gonna cover it with foil, drop it in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours. The next step is, as soon as it comes out of the fridge, I'm gonna take my pizza pan, putting about a tablespoon of oil in the pan, and what I wanna do is take half of my dough and put it in the pan. And you can see that is too much dough for this pan. Just cut it in half, put the other one into a well-oiled bag inside the freezer. It lasts a really long time, and that's it. I'm gonna leave it sitting like this for about 30 minutes and keep stretching it so it fills the pan. So the dough has been in the pan for about 30 minutes. All we want to do is use the top of our fingertip to lightly dimple the dough and start pushing it a little bit towards the edge. We're going to let it rest and then come back in about 30 minutes and continue the stretch. All right, so now the fun begins. 30 minutes until my final stretch is done. So let me show you how I stack the wood and coal inside the oven to make sure that I have a perfect even cook for a Sicilian pizza. Come on this way, let me show you. Now, don't just dump a bag in here. This oven is all about airflow, so I'm gonna be stacking it somewhat nicely in here. 8 pieces of coal, put 1 more just in the back, and then I'm gonna take one of my fire starters. Chimney's open, we're good. Let this burn for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add our wood on top of it. But no peeking. So by closing this off, we're making sure that the airflow is perfect. Close up our window and let the fire build. So once these flames start to die down, I'm gonna put another layer of lump charcoal on top just to make sure we hold that temperature without a big spike in flame. But yes, it looks awesome, doesn't it? Look how nice this was just after 2 stretches. I just wanna make sure that I'm gonna get it to the edge because it'll shrink back a bit, but there's really not much you need to do. This dough recipe is great. 2 stretches and done, so about 30 minutes in the pan, stretch it, 30 minutes, another 30 minutes, so an hour and a half, and the dough is filling up this pan very nicely. All that's left to do is to wait until the oven is up to about 600 degrees, and then I'm gonna parbake this. I'm not putting any sauce on it, no cheese right now. I'm simply going to bake it for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the sauce. The reason I like to do that is because I want a crispy crust, and if I were to top that with a wet sauce right now, it's not gonna give you that awesome Sicilian bite. So after about 8 minutes, you can see that the pizza is very nicely par-cooked. You can add whatever toppings you want, but I'm gonna go with just a cheese style Sicilian. Sauce recipes, if you're looking for a great one, check out Ooni's recipe for their classic sauce or even their Detroit style sauce. Both would work fantastic. Alrighty, it's time to go back outside and to finish this off in the Ooni Karu 16. All we're looking to do is to get those toppings melted. So we'll see it in about 2 to 3 minutes. Pizza is done. It just came out of the Ooni Karu 16. So I like to finish it off with some fresh basil and some fresh mozzarella, and there we go. Easy Sicilian cooked in just about 12 minutes inside the Ooni Karu 16. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all about the process or the recipes, check it out on the Ooni website, or you can find me on Instagram at TrueCraftBBQ. I would be happy to answer any questions you have because I want to make sure you can churn out some awesome Sicilian pizzas in your Karu 16. Okay, I've got a pizza waiting for me, so I'm gonna go eat, but it was great seeing you. I'll see you next time right here on the Ooni YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.